3 bedrooms, 1 level with a great meadow view and gorgeous Saddle Lake Farms. Colleen and David Black, Keller Williams Realty. Call on Colleen.
This is the Weather Xtreme video for Sunday, October the 25th. I'm meteorologist Brian Peters. Thanks for tuning in this morning, and it looks like we're going to see a beautiful fall day today. Let's get right to the charts this morning. Here's our surface map, and you can see that we have high pressure over the southeastern United States, and some of those high clouds are now sweeping out of Georgia, and it looks like it's going to be a beautiful, sunshiny day today with temperatures climbing into the lower 70s. In the upper atmosphere, we have a strong, or a pretty long wave trough over the west and central part of the United States, and that's going to be bringing us kind of an interesting weather pattern for the next several days with a couple of weather systems. Temperature is a little chilly across central Alabama this morning as we dip down to near the 30s location with a good number of 30s across the Tennessee River Valley. And it looks like, for the most part, we are kind of around 40 degrees for much of central Alabama as the clouds have cleared out. And there's a little closer look at the satellite image this morning. But we do have a good number of developments coming with a lot of rain, a possibility here over the next several days in a couple of spurts, one on Tuesday and another one expected by about Thursday or Friday. The timing of that one is a little bit nebulous right now. Slight risk of severe weather over pretty much north-central Texas and the Red River Valley and south-central Oklahoma. And on day 3, which is Tuesday, we're in a situation where it looks like the shear is pretty spectacular, but the instability may not be there. So we'll be watching the developments for that on Tuesday. So the Hurricane Center is not looking at any areas in the Atlantic, so the tropics continue to be rather quiet. All right, this is a 06Z GFS model run, and you can see the high-pressure system that'll be at midday across central Alabama, extending all the way from a center over about West Virginia down across the southeastern U.S. Our trough to the west begins to sharpen up and come our way on Monday, but I think Monday is going to be a dry day as moisture increases off to the west of us. But a nice short wave comes around that trough on Tuesday, and that's going to help to create a surface front as well as a surface low pressure area in Arkansas. And that's the day that we may see the possibility of strong to severe thunderstorms across central Alabama. We'll be watching the development of the instability. Right now, the models are not indicating much in the way of the instability, but we do have good shear. That shortwave trough heads up to the Great Lakes very quickly, and that should help to clear us out at midweek. So it looks like most of the rain would be confined to Tuesday afternoon and evening. By Thursday, the high is really established over Florida with a really strong trough to our west, and that should keep us dry on Thursday, but we may see clouds increasing and perhaps late in the day, especially in the western part of the state, the possibility of some rain. The high seems to hold, and that's going to be a question. It was looking yesterday like probably the rain would come on Friday, but now it would appear that the rain will be approaching on Friday, and it may end up being a wet night for high school football. The short wave or the trough comes on through as it comes across the Mississippi River on Saturday, and that should sweep that front through us on Saturday. So it looks like Friday night and Saturday could be wet, and then as surface high builds in behind that front on Sunday, the 1st of November, we pretty much clear out for the start of the next week and for the 1st of November. Now, looking out into voodoo country, looks like another trough as the pattern remains very progressive on the 5th of November, and then another one, this one a little further south. This could create some interesting weather and the possibility of some severe weather, but remember, it's voodoo. All right, I appreciate you tuning in to the Weather Xtreme video. James Spann should be back in the saddle once again tomorrow morning. In the meantime, I hope that you have a great Sunday, and Godspeed.
Each day, there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.